Hey guys, I'm here with a really super quick wrap candy idea. So I know you guys probably seen these big, they call these crazy craft noodles. I got these from Joann's, but they sell them at Hobby Lobby. And they might have them at Michael's, but I never paid attention, so I didn't really notice if they have them there. But you could probably even get them on Amazon. So you just take them. Take all the colors they have. I think that's all the colors they have in here. Might be some other color, but I'm not going to worry about that. Right? You get you some candy wrap. This is like, what they call it. They wrap like caramels in it. It's just called candy wrapper. But I will post a link to it so you guys can get some if you are interested. But look, you got some candy. You can cut this or cut it down. Make sure you twist it really good though before you cut the ends. And what I like about this paper is that once you twist it, it just stays. You see that? No big deal about it. There go one candy. Then you just keep on wrapping, and you're going to have a whole dish full of fake candy made out of craft noodles. Just keep it going. Twist it. Once you twist it, you're good to go. Cut off the ends a little bit. Boom. Candy. You got yourself some candy. This is like the easiest candy you ever gonna make. And you could fill up a whole jar of fake candy. You can use it for display as props. Put it in a candy dish. You got options. Give it to your grown kids. Don't give it to little kids. They'll think it's real candy. But mess around with your grown kids or your friends. Yeah, be like, can I have some of that candy? Be like, go ahead. They be like, my girl. They probably won't. If you're a fake baker, they probably don't trust anything in your house anyway. So they're like, nah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm not going to eat none of that candy. Can't trust you. Right? You just roll it, twist it, cut the ends off, and there you go. Whole bunch of candy. Listen, if you wanted to, you could even cut two. Let's try that real quick. See if it works. Cut two pieces and make one candy. Let's see if it works. Let's cut this one in half. Cut this one in half. Put a little glue on there. Oh, I'm burning myself. Stick it together. Let's see how this goes. Wrap it. Twist it. Look. Alright guys. Here you go. Candy. Made out of the pool noodles and some candy wrapper. Okay? Alright guys. Talk to you later. Stay safe, healthy, and crafty until the next video. God bless.